Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add products to categories in Woocommerce in bulk. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, and from the left-hand menu, click on Products and then All Products. Here, you'll see a full list of all the products in your Woocommerce store. Now, select the checkboxes next to the products you want to add to a specific category. Once you've selected them, open the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top and choose Edit, then click on Apply. This will open a bulk edit panel where you can make changes to all selected products at once. In the Categories section, simply check the box for the category you want these products to belong to. After that, scroll down and click on the Update button and Woocommerce will automatically assign all those products to the selected category in one go. If you want to remove them from a category, just repeat the same process and uncheck that category instead. And that's it. Now you know how to add or move multiple products to categories in Woocommerce in bulk without editing them one by one. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.